Today I'm going to show you how to create a juice bottle mockup using Adobe Photoshop. First, select your rectangle tool from the toolbar. And click and drag to draw a rectangle. Now go to Filter. And choose the convert for Smart Filters. Let's name it Place Design. Right-click on it and group from layers. I'm going to name this Design. Now let's disable this group layer first. Select the background or subject layer. Then from the toolbar, select your Quick Selection tool. And click and drag over the label of the bottle to select it. Let's enable this group layer. With the selection active, click on the mask icon to create a mask. Select the Place Design or layer below. Make 3 copies of it by pressing Ctrl J. Let's name the first copy of Lighten. The second copy, Color Burn. And the third copy is Overlay. Let's disable these 3 copies first. Now let's go back to this Place Design layer. And change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. I'll decrease the fill all the way to 35%. Let's enable the first copy. And change the blending mode from normal to lighten. Decrease the fill all the way to 15%. Next, let's enable the second copy. Change the blending mode to Color Burn. Decrease the fill all the way to 30%. And the last one is the Overlay, the third copy. And change the blending mode from normal to Overlay. Now go to Image. Adjustments. And open your Levels window. Drag the top left slider to the right, and you can also drag the right slider to the left, to add contrast. Then press OK. Decrease the fill all the way to 20%. Now select the Place Design layer. Double-click the thumbnail to place your design. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Let's go back to the file. And choose Save. And then close the document. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.